ang aming kape. Oh, di ba? Mainit pa siya. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang picnic na wala ang kape. Mainit na ba?
Bulisan ako eh. Kape.
Mahilig nga din pala si Najab sa ganito, ano? Hindi mo niyaya. Kalokohan lang. Here you go.
Yeah, may kape. Thank you for the coffee. Oh, ang usok.
Sana laging holiday, no? Ang ganda ng aming music.
Yan, they are coming.
Malaw! Nangayang! Nangalaw! Ang yari! Ba't parang, napagod kayo masyado?
Parang natalo sa sabong.
Still cold? After playing? Ayan, dumating na ang aming mga maglalaro sa playground. Ba? Very good.
Oh, binanas na.
Mission accomplished
Hot na. Hot na daw, hot na.
Hot na.
Oh, ba't may ano ko sa likod?
Yan. Awan nga, ba't yung may tape?
Mami, tangat eh.
Mami yun. Ate, magkadong kay dati dali. Dini ka din ka. Ate, come here. Ate kayo parang lalagyan ng ribbon. Ate kayo may tape.
What happened?
Can I go?
Yeah.
Very peaceful.
Yes. Quiet.
Quiet and peaceful. Yun lang, naiihi ako. Medyo malayo ang toilet. Gusto mo ba? Mainit pa, no? Pero hindi na ganun kainit.
Tama lang.
What's next? Coconut juice. Coconut juice naman.
Do you want coffee, ate?
Tada! O, diba? Coconut juice para sa aming mga maglalaro. I'm not drinking in your coffee cup. No, you're gonna drink it here in the plastic. You don't have
Mami, ganyan mo lang.
Huh?
Huwag mo nang tanggalin.
Kaya wala kasing kilos. Oh, galing. There you go. No, don't. Yan.
How about you? Do you want
You want some chips?
coconut juice?
Or milky? Ano, napagod?
Milk first.
Yeah, later.
I told you that you didn't eat all your mango.
No.
I'm just kidding. Ayoko na. Wala ka namang binibigay sa akin.
Sabi ng mga bata, iuwi daw nila yung stack of hay. Para kay sushi. Lagot kayo.
Lagyan lang natin doon. Bahala ka ng sushi dyan kung kailan mo gustong kainin.
Pwede mo ding tulugan. Dahil pala nagawa tayo ng bahay ni Sushi kasi malamig na.
Isn't that her house?
Eh, anak, malamig. Madumi nga. Eh, okay lang dati. Sure nila yun.
They sure have the bunnies that poop every...
1 year na yung di nalinisan. Time to go! Yan, magpake na tayo lahat. Easy to pack. Hi! Hi, Pink Panther. Ayan, yung aming table na very easy to open and very easy to close. Ganon. To fold pala. Very handy ang everything. Tapos ang maganda dyan, may free na bag. Oh. Yan ang bag. Free bag where you can put in the
Yes.
chairs.
Come here, Ada. Give it to me. Next time we will play Uno.
Wow! Maybe on Saturday morning again, no, Daddy?
Yeah. Okay. Hold on.
Fold the mat, ate.
And 2 tables.
Yan, 2 tables. Easy to pack lang ang lahat.
Mali pala.
Ay, nako.
Hindi na sinabi.
Ay, nako, ate. It's not like that. Try to fold the mat. Together. Put it down, ate. Oh, ito ang Thai mat. Faye can do it. No, baby! Not like that. Can you see the line? Yan. Follow the line. Yan. That will be, ano, anak? Outside. No. Again. Itong mat na ito ang very... Ayan. Okay. Yan. And then flip. Yan. Yes, that's it. That's it. And fold it. No. Yan. Ayan. Ala. Na-open na uli. The food, anak. Bring them there. Yan. Do you see these 2 handle? Teka, baby. Teka. Let's make it smaller.
Why can't you just let Mommy do it?
No. You learn how to do it so that you know how to do it next time. Yan. Oh. Easy busy. Oh, ano mo yan? Yan. Ito ang Thai mat. Very handy. And very nice for picnic.
Very nice. It's not very long.
Oh, alam na ni Faye ngayon kung paano imis or mag-fold ng mat.
Ito?
Yes, Daddy. Oh, hula hoop girl.
Ito?
Ah! Gusto daw dalhin ni Bagering isang bigay kay Sushi. Lagot tayo kay aquarium.
Are you done yet, Faye?
Yes. 2. Yan. 1 more. Back up. Here you go, Daddy.
Here.
Love
The
you.
basura.
Basura.
Thank you. Everything.
Iaano natin
On
sa
the speaker. And
Check.
basura.
check.
Check. And
Dadalhin mo yan for sushi. Lagot tayo.
kasi andin eh.
Okay, close up. Go in, Faye.
What's wrong with Ate?
Nothing. Ay, ba't sa aking side ya ang basura?
Wait, I forgot my adventure stick.
Wag mo nang dalhin sa bahay yun, anak. Yung iyong adventure stick.
Come on.
Let's go home. No, we're gonna go to Macro to buy some eggs. At yan ang kanilang life egg is life, kaya pupunta muna
And
kami
fish.
ng...
And fish is life for sinigang.
Ah, chai.
And fish too, we're going to buy fish.
Fish. We'll buy fish and some other stuffs for home. Okay, Migu, let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, anak, and you can do your work. Bye!
Bye!
See you on other
Adventure.
picnic and adventure time. Bye! We gotta go home.
Adventure stick.
Very nice place to chill.
You can bring the
Yeah.
car inside also.
Yeah. Time check. It's already 11 o'clock, but it's not that hot yet. And then we were under the tree. Wow, look at this.
What's that orange thing?
Those
Tent.
are like tent. Ayan. They had a festival here, kaya ang dami pa ding tables and tents. Sana pwede ding mag-camping dito, no? Pero I think it's not open for public na mag-camping.
You know, may purple grass. There.
Yung parang inaalagaan eh. Uy, ganda pala doon. Parang ano, no? Ayan, dito na tayo sa aquarium.
Sisuket Aquarium.
It's not open.
It's open, ano? But no one's there, I think. Pero maraming tao, oh. Ay, may wedding nga pala dyan. There you go.
Ayan.
Here's the
It's open.
Sisiket Aquarium. Nandun kami sa likod. Maraming tao.
Our sandcastle.
Did you make a sandcastle?
Yeah.
Did you make it wet? Ah, it's ruined na.
Why should we make it wet?
To make it, you can, put them together.
What?
Here's Sisiket Tower.
Oh. Yan pala din eh.
May,
Sea Dragon.
ay, kala ko kung ano.
Hindi, kakikita ko lang eh.
What? I've seen it since yesterday.
Yesterday.
Right, not yesterday.
Thailand Tourism Silver Award. Wow.
Wow, Silver Awards. Ang lawak-lawak na ano ito. And this is the iconic Tower of Sisiket. Wala na.
We're going. Bye-bye.
Going home. Bye.